Giloy has many beneficial properties that aid our health. While many of us use it to boost our immunity and metabolism, this plant can also help to lose weight. Today's video will discuss 5 reasons to add giloy to your diet. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Weight loss is undoubtedly one of the most challenging tasks to accomplish. Even though we try our best to diet and exercise, needle on a weighing scale doesn't seem to go down. Health benefits of giloy. 1. Giloy for weight loss. As per study called Medicinal and Beneficial Health, this plant includes adiponectin and leptin, which are two nutrients that plays an essential role in the body's endocrine function. These functions control weight, growth, development, and other things. With this, giloy also helps flushes out excess water and toxins and aid in digestion that can lead to weight loss. 2. Boost immunity. According to experts, giloy is an all-purpose plant that boosts immunity. It is an antioxidant powerhouse that fights free radicals, keeps your cells healthy, and helps you avoid ailments. Giloy aids in the removal of toxins, the purification of blood, and may help with the treatment of liver and urinary tract infection. Manage blood sugar. Giloy is a natural treatment for lowering blood sugar levels. If you have diabetes, a few drops of giloy juice can help you manage it. However, before including in your diet, you should get medical advice. Giloy acts as a hypoglycemic agent and helps with diabetes, particularly type 2 diabetes. 4. Improved digestion. According to nutritionists, giloy is very beneficial in improving digestion and treating bowel-related issues. It's a simple and quick home remedy for improving digestion to increase the effectiveness of this cure. Blend giloy juice. 5. Reduces stress. This unprepared beverage can also help with dealing with stress. It can be combined with other herbs to improve mental health, memory, and is known to increase concentration. How to use giloy? On an empty stomach, drink a small amount of giloy juice to aid weight loss. Other than this, you can mix 3-4 tablespoons giloy juice with aloe vera juice or water. On an empty stomach, drink this juice first thing in the morning. Make sure not over to consume this juice. It can also lead to several side effects. So what do you think of this important information? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.